Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. Let's just provide about derivative of the function. The question, we need to find the critical numbers of the function and classify each critical point as a relative maximum, a relative minimum, or neither. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to put about first the derivative of the function equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So we just have only this one in here. So we have two solutions. That's about s equal to number 0. 2 minus s equals to number 0. So I will put negative s gone here. And we have s equals to number 2. So the next one, we want to classify about relative maximum, relative minimum, or neither. So in this situation, we can use about variation table. So we put number 2 and number 0 gone here. So because they are critical values, so we have number 0 in here, number 0 in here. So we want to know the size of this one, and this one. So I will put about s equal to number 3 gone here. And I will put number 3 go back to this equation. So we put number 3 gone here. So this one, we have negative number 3 over 13. That means this is about negative number. So the side that is about negative. Now I will put s equals to number 1 gone here. So we have 1 over 3. This is about positive number. And the next one, s equals to negative number 1. So I will put this one gone here. And we have negative number 3. So that's about negative side. And we have the formula in here. When first the derivative of the function is smaller than number 0, so the function should be decreased. The next one, first the derivative of the function is positive, so the function in here increase. Now this one that is about negative, so this one should be decreased. So the side that should be like this. This one is about positive, so they will go up. And this one, they go down. So we see that when s equal to number 0, this is about relative minimum. When s equals to number 2, this is about relative maximum. because we just use about the table in here and we can analyze about relative maximum and relative minimum. This is the end. Thank you for watching.